You see, today Biju Janata Dal has written a letter to the UGC chairman requesting him or demanding few changes in the proposed UGC bill, UGC Education Bill 2025. The thing is, I assume that BJD leadership has not gone through in details, in minuscule, through the bill. Otherwise, they wouldn't have opined such a grotesque and very astonishing opinion over it. You see, governor or the chancellor of Indian universities have the power over the universities regarding the appointment of vice chancellors and academics, etc., etc. But here, the erstwhile BJD regime has just curtailed the supremacy of the chancellors, that is governors, and with the bureaucrats' supports, they have started appointing the vice chancellors. For this, they have not only violated 1989 bill, they have also been snubbed by the highest, the apex court of the country and the Honorable High Court of the state. Just to whitewash their misdeeds during those period, they are most probably trying to tarnish this bill. India is entering a new age through the new education policy, and fortunately, the Odia leader, Odia young man, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan is at the helm of the affairs, and he is ushering in the new education policy for the country. The country is being prepared for a 21st century higher education policy under the able stewardship of Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. We'll warn and we will request BJD as well that they shouldn't indulge in such sort of petty politics. The country's future depends upon the education system and the entire education system. And astonishingly, they have confessed in that letter that still now the appointment of vice chancellors and academics were in non-academic line. They have confessed it. They have already confessed their mistake during the 24 years of rule. So I will, in this press meet today, we have warned the BJD not to be indulged in sort of petty politics over the higher education issues and support the state and the country to develop through the new education policy.
Thank you.